You guys hearing something? Check the bathroom.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh! Here we go!
Huh? You want mate?
This is a test of the weather radio alert system.
Oh.
During hazardous weather and emergency around 50. The alert tone Saturday on Sunday night. Alert you automatically. Thanksgiving Day, cool.
Please do not fail this. You're actually doing it right this time. Holy shit, Lincoln, it's a miracle.
This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m., but may be postponed if there is a threat of severe weather. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will normally vary from distance from the transmitter. This may occur even if you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. We now return to regular programming.
The current time is 11.
You actually tested right, Lincoln, for once, so congrats.